I'm just, yeah, I'm okay. I do that. I do it all the time. I'm totally fine. Okay. Okay, I'm okay.
We're shooting at the in the middle of the head.
Wait, I can't be falling and scraping.
That's the best you can do, man?
That's the best I can do.
Let me see, where was it?
You hit that bitch in the middle of the head.
God, yeah, middle of the head. Where you hit it? Right here. Right here. Big shot. Right there.
Is that the best a person can do? I thought it was like AO was the best. You hit that motherfucker right in the middle.
I got you. All right.
Where was yours?
Right below the.
You had 10 feet though?
10 feet.
Okay.
That's
Just something like here. Bullseye.
wait. I'm shaking. I'm back here nervous.
Oh, it's probably it's all safe. It's in there.
Like it's a
Yeah,
shootout.
you're all safe.
You dig? Brain shot that boy.
Oh shit. So it's stuck. It's a jam. It's a double for you.
He didn't want anybody to know his hair was red.
Bitch, that thing might be overheating, man.
It is. And we're shooting
Once it gets
115.
Yeah.
like that, it always does
We're
that.
shooting 115, aren't we?
Yeah.
This is
Yeah, it is. Cause when I was,
Your phone.
Let's see if we can get one.
Corner. You got your face like that. Very Riding Hood.
I'm just gonna shoot it down. Just to make
Yeah, man, it's over.
yeah, it's
They automatic stop.
It's
sure. It's not even.
overheated.
It's not even.
No, it just does that with some certain types of ammo.
It's literally
It'll do
smoke
that
coming out
after
of it.
Heats up, it'll
gotta
work
come
for a
back.
while, but then once it's too
Yeah.
Can't shoot
What-
one of the others?
it won't
We
cool
got
down.
any ammunition for
One bullet.
One bullet.
He said he's
What
better
do we
than
have
me.
left? We got
We've been
anything left?
25 push-ups.
No, we don't. You know what we can do?
Drop it in.
No, I'm gonna see how hot that can is.
They used to keep it
I
open.
got one of those.
My Apple.
We'll get one too.
They used to keep it open.
They said
Challenge you.
Oh,
they
you can't
said
shoot
that
your
Thug jammed it. What's the reason that the gun isn't working, sir?
It's overheating. It's overheating.
It's overheated.
King Slam.
All right, let's
So he took off. Look,
Now go put your head in your ass.
look
Not
now.
fair.
I'm up for 500 degrees.
Yeah.
Smoke.
Don't touch that.
Oh my god, it's
Yeah.
Now you are. This on safe. Let's just take off.
There you go.
It's a head, boy.
It's a headshot.
For sure.
Right in your hole.
right in the head.
Same one.
Right in your hole.
You got it in the head.
Right in your hole. Get the
Yeah.
dab. Get the
Yeah,
dab.
Get the dab.
We need him.
Right in.
I'm fucking that same hole.
Where you hit? Through the same hole.
It's through the same hole.
Through the same one.
Yeah. You just
Right
hit that
there.
motherfucker through there.
Wow.
Oh, that's it?
I think. Let me see. Yeah.
Y'all are good.
There's one left. You can shoot that.
1 and 1.
No, it's just this one.
So,
You know what I'm saying?
do you know how hard it is to shoot a gun like this? This guy is a professional and he did it close.
Blue
That
strap.
gun is very hard to shoot.
This hustle strike.
And then head.
The chamber.
Okay.
Chamber.
I put it on single shot too, man.
You doing what?
There you go.
You trying to cheat for him?
I'm trying to help you out.
Because you only got one round left.
I want you to waste your
There's
bullet.
only one round left.
Make that boy mouth, man.
It's a head shot.
Cycle. Pull that back. Hold on.
Make him a mouth, man. Then they ain't got no mouth.
Put it on.
Oh, and by the way, people are getting blocked left by right. So just keep typing away. Have fun while you can.
Juggle some balls.
Pretty Lexi Too True. Just you need to just get out.
Y'all probably need to go. Y'all probably need to have a day in the
You
life.
probably got 5
He
followers.
made that motherfucker
Get right in it.
Pimp.
Open that hole up some
I went right in
Yeah,
it.
you went
Right in that motherfucker.
Right? Oh, wait,
come back and
wait. Say it again. You did what? You put it
What'd
right
he do?
where?
What'd he do?
I beat the champ.
25 push-ups, man. We did it.
Push up.
Come on,
I'll
one.
give him to you. Let's
I'll
go.
give him to you.
25,
I'll
man.
give him to you.
Ah!
Yeah.
Yeah.
2 slaps.
We have to come back tomorrow.
Yeah. 6.
See?
Shit. Big. Jim. You reach. You need. You song. You she. You go. You broke. You sheet. You hot.
Ooh.
You cool. You.
I know that language.
Who's counting?
I know that language.
Japanese.
Yeah, Japanese.
He was counting Japanese.
I didn't even know, but I knew. He said Juji.
Thank you.
He said Juji. Ju one. That means Ju one.
He said Juji, Juju, Juja, Juje.
Juji. Nah, you just fought that boy. That boy. Boy, think he don't know something.
Yeah.
That boy don't know. I know I wouldn't
gotta
make better that boy like that. That boy just hit that motherfucker right on top.
Look where they at. They out here. They tell.
They ain't have ID.
Oh, they cooking?
I said, why didn't
No, they was in here. Somebody on my thing about what's up, dude. And they just hear you in the back talking.
Oh, they got to let you live.
Oh.
Maybe this one got to be closed.
Yeah. Woo! That boy just beat that boy ass back there.
Y'all keep them.
So can I get my gun today? My gun today? I'm just playing. Babe. What it was? Morgan, what's the tab? Like, what's the tab? How much you have to pay? How much do you have to pay? You know? No, I'm saying I'm saying for all of this stuff. Okay.
You gonna pay for everything?
Anything. Let me see what you pay.
If little ass girl, if I'm not responding to your question, stop writing me, asking me the same thing. Y'all are so negative and annoying. Like, we're not. What are you talking about? I'm at a gun range. Like, clearly you typed the same question 5 times being thirsty, and I ignored your question 5 times. Like, what's the purpose?
Yo.
What's... Little annoying ass. Okay, KK, so... Bitch, you stink. They talking about... You can't show his hair right now. But, because... They talking about...
You gonna let me put you tonight?
Yeah.
I'm live. Tonight I'm gonna eat baby girl like
like the last meal in the desert.
In
On
the
live.
desert. The last bottle of water in the desert. You have to.
It's not the last bottle of water in the desert, baby. Let me educate you just a second. Like you
No,
educate
babe,
me.
because no, this is the thing.
No.
The desert is dry, so I was thinking about water.
Yeah, but you know what's in the desert?
What?
Cactus. You know what cactus carry?
Water.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, so you saying like you can get? Okay, I get it. I get it. You're smart. Oh.
Where is he?
The bag has been secured.